Okay, let's just dive right in. We'll walk through a brand new entry. First things first, every single entry you make, every one, starts with correctly identifying the location. Getting this right is totally not negotiable because it's the foundation for everything else that follows. Now, before you even think about asking a single question about the household, you have got to get the Okay, so we've identified the house. Now let's get into describing its physical structure. The data you collect here is just so crucial for understanding housing conditions all across the country. All right, now for the walls. Sometimes this can be a little tricky, especially if they're plastic roof. It's about what kind of tile. And why? Well, because this little distinction helps us understand local economies and traditional building practices. Pretty cool, right? Okay, this next section is absolutely 100% crucial. Your answer here, it's like a switch on a railway track. It decides which set of questions the app is going to send you down next.
As you can see, the app gives you this whole list of options, everything from a simple resident